Hey, so if VLC is not playing MP4 files on your PC, yeah, like the video won't open, shows a black screen, or only audio plays but no video, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, try a different MP4 file. This helps you check if the issue is the file or VLC itself. Next, close VLC completely and reopen it. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Now, reset VLC preferences. Wrong settings can break MP4 playback. Yeah? Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause MP4 playback issues. Try turning it off in settings. Now, switch the video output module. DirectX or OpenGL can fix black screen issues. Yeah, make sure VLC is updated. Older versions may not support newer MP4 encodings properly. Now, sometimes MP4 files need extra codecs. Installing a codec pack can help VLC decode them properly. Yeah, if the file is corrupted or unsupported, try converting it to another MP4 version or format like MKV. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall VLC. This resets all playback settings and fixes broken components. So yeah, that's how you fix VLC not playing MP4 files on PC. Most of the time, it's settings, codecs, or corrupted files. Try these steps and your videos should play normally again. Thanks for watching.